Hi, I'm Luke Wakefield, CEO and co-founder of Siteglide, and I'd like to quickly show you how you can import and migrate your Business Catalyst websites across to Siteglide with ease. There are three main routes or things that you would need to consider or look at. We have our static site importer, where you can automatically import the front end of the website, so anything that would be rendered in the browser, so pages and all the content. And that can be done either requesting a free import, which we can run for you, or you can actually do it yourself. Just sign up for Siteglide for free, and then you could run the import tool. So that's the best place to start for static websites and quickly getting across any existing design. If you have more complex sites with BC functionality, so web apps and those kind of things, you might want to use our import tools. You could actually do that on top of the static site importer as well. So you could do the front end, and then you could go to, if you just Google BC Exporter, there's a tool to get your data out of BC, and you'll see that Siteglide is one of the main partner for getting your data out of BC and then into Siteglide. So you can sign up here, you get a 10% discount with BC Exporter, only for Siteglide customers. You'd get your data out of BC and then come across to Siteglide, and you can come to our migration tools and import web apps with categories and tags and blogs, and it will pull across all of the structure, the data, and things like relationships, including categories and hierarchy. So that can save a huge amount of time with having to do that manually. Then all you need to do is you go into a specific layout that's come across, and you would just update the BC tags with our tags, and we show you all of our tags, so you can easily just swap those out. So you could do a layout in a few minutes and get a site fully migrated very, very quickly, especially if you've done the site importer first. So that's the second route for more complex sites. Finally, if you're able to recommend a rebuild to the client, even if it's just to improve the code or improve how that's built, maybe make it responsive, or if it's to do design improvements, we have a tool called Studio. So if you come over to studio.siteglide.com, this is a bootstrap-based design system where we have a design file that lets you fully go through the design process with the client, get sign-off in Figma, and then we have a module and layout library ready to go with all fully integrated into Siteglide, so that you can actually build out pages and websites using our existing layouts. This can save a huge amount of time and development. Make sure you watch our Studio video and our Figma detail video to get a better idea of how Studio could help. So those are your three main things. You've got the site import tool, which can massively speed up migrations that can run in the background, and it's just one process. Then you've got our import tools, which hugely speed up the process of more complex websites and things like web apps. They're actually hard to replicate in other platforms anyway. You can import all of those and have those working within minutes. And to do that, best to get your data out of BC with BC Exporter into the right format. And then finally, you could use Studio to completely redesign and rebuild sites, and then you get the best out of Siteglide going forwards, as it's fully integrated with the platform. Questions at all, just reach out to our team, but this should help you get some of those BC sites migrated across. Thanks.